Welcome to all of you. Today, in the course of Fundamentals of Rural Sociology and Educational Psychology, we will see the sociology. Sociology is originated from the two words, that is, in Latin, socius means companion, who accompanies or the associates with the another or the member of some order of knighthood. And the term Greek logos means the scientific study, means the sociology is the scientific study of a social life. Sociology, the study or the theory of human companions concerned with what goes on when the people get together in groups and interact with each other. So we will see what is sociology. Sociology is the study of social action. There are the definitions given by the different scientists. Sociology is the study of humans living together by Tony. Sociology is the study of social groups on the basis of social interaction. Then definition given by the Auguste Comte. Sociology is the scientific study of society. By Mark Young. Sociology is the scientific study of the social aspects of human life. So the sociology is the systematic study of the human society. Sociology is concerned with people. It can be in isolation and its main emphasis is on people. They stay in groups and therefore the sociologists study peoples organized in the families, friendship groups, temples, school, industrial plants and in other groups. In short, the sociology studies the social behavior of the people. In Latin word, socius means companion. Or associate. And logos, a Greek word for scientific study. Then definitions of sociology is the study of human behavior in society. Sociology is the scientific study of human society and the systematic study of human society dedicated to the understanding of the social interaction as people form groups, communities and the society. These are the definitions given by the different scientists. Then founders of sociology. Auguste Comte, known as a father of sociology, and he first delivered his lecture on sociology as early as 1839. Then how do people adapt to the different environments? How have societies developed and changed from the ancient past to the present? Answer to all these questions can help us understand what it means to be human. They can also help us to learn ways to meet the present day needs of people all over the world and to plan how we might live in the future. It is concerned with the study of human social life, day-to-day activities of the peoples. Then the importance of sociology. Factual information from the research will better understand our societies and the other societies. Understanding, broad-mindedness, tolerant. Then next, learn the application of the scientific methods and techniques to our daily life problems. It enables us to see the connection between our personal experiences and the social forces in the bigger social world daily, which influences the life. It furnishes the interested people and specialized sciences with the principle and scientific data which they can use in their work. Then it provides insights into the interrelationship of human beings within the group so that we may live in harmony with the others. And the result of the sociological investigations provide a better background for meeting and solving the problems. Next, the result of the inquiry can help dispel popular myths, superstitions, and the stereotypes with the accurate knowledge about the human behavior and the human society. It broadens our experience as we learn to discard our prejudices and biases as we become more understanding and tolerant of the customs of the other people. And results of the sociological investigations are useful to the government officials, community leaders, and entrepreneurs and the businesses. We will see the Auguste Comte, known as the father of sociology, and he first delivered his lecture on sociology as early as 1839. Then we will see next to the sociology is the rural sociology. Rural sociology is the systematic study of people living in rural areas and who are living by or immediately depend on the agriculture. Definitions of the rural sociology. The specialized application of the knowledge of rural people in the group relationship or the study of human relationship in rural environment. This is the basic definition of the rural sociology. In the scope of rural sociology has to channel its efforts by keeping faith in the methods used in this discipline in solving the rural problems. Rural social psychology, rural social organizations, rural social values. Then next one is the importance of the rural sociology in agricultural extension. There is an old saying that if you are teach a subject, it is essential to understand not only subject but also the student. And this idea is applied not only to the classroom teaching but also to the managing and increasing the production in industry and the agriculture. To realize the difficulties of the subjects and students, the channels of communications were established by launching the National Extension Service in 1953. And the change agents like the village level workers were posted in villages for bringing about change in the village community. And the transfer or the communication of innovation is the main job of the change agents and the extension workers. In community development programs, basic courses of the rural sociology were started during the training program to the extension workers. Then we will see the interrelationship between the rural sociology and the extension. Rural sociology is the scientific study of laws of the structure and development of the rural society. And extension is the informal education of rural people with a view to develop the rural society of a desirable lines. In rural sociology, it studies the attitude and behavior of the rural people. Extension, it seeks to modify or change for the better attitude and behavior of the village people. Rural sociology studies the need and interest of the rural society. And in extension, it helps discover their needs and problems and build educational program based on the needs. In rural sociology, it analyzes the rural social relationship, organization, social processes, and the rural leadership. And in extension, it utilizes these village organizations, rural leadership, favorable social processes to achieve its objective of rural development. In rural sociology, it studies the social situation and assembles social facts of the rural society. And in extension, it makes use of such social data as a basis for building up its extension program for the rural areas. In rural sociology, investigates the social, cultural, political, and the religious problems of the rural society. And in extension, it studies these problems with reference to their impact on extension work in villages. This is the interrelationship between the rural sociology and the extension. This is all about the sociology and the rural sociology. Okay, thank you.